This video is to show you how to collect the diaper crystals, the super absorbency crystals that are found within diapers that we're going to use to make our SuperSoil substrate mix. So the first thing that you need to do is grab one of these protective underpad diapers. According to the packaging, these are maximum absorbency 5 out of 6. I have no idea what that means, but it seems pretty good. I really like the size for these. You're only going to need one per group, and I don't have a lot of excess material, so we don't want to waste them, and I'm already using one for this video's purpose, so that reduces the total number down even further. But this is a really easy process. You'll take your diaper and you're just going to put it, just kind of lay it out inside of this white bucket. We're going to try to keep all of the materials contained inside of this white bucket. This is a really messy process, and we want to try not to get a mess all over the place. So I just kind of laid it out. Then we'll take it over. There's 3 sinks, one here, and then one in the greenhouse prep room. And then there's also the big dishwashing sink in the greenhouse prep room, which works really well also. So any of those sinks are sufficient. The buckets don't fit down into the sink like very well here. You can see it doesn't fit all the way in, so just kind of hold it so that it doesn't make a huge mess again. And the next thing you're gonna do is just start adding water. These absorbency pads take on about 3 quarts of water into the gel, which is a lot. Start filling it up with water. Get the whole thing. We want to saturate the materials as much as possible. Just letting the water run, trying to get it all in there. Okay. Now, I didn't bring the trash can over here, so I'm going to grab really quick, because I'm going to separate all of the materials that are part of the absorbency pad that I don't want. All I want is the absorbency crystals that have taken on the water. I want to collect those outside, or that are on the inside, and separate them from the bag. So if you grab the absorbency pad, you can see there's this cotton lining thing, and it's going to be totally fine if you have some of the cotton lining that's on the inside. It's organic material. It's not going to affect our study at all. But if I just use my finger, I can tear through this cotton membrane and open it up. And inside is this beautiful gel-like substance. This is the gold that we're after, that we're going to use to make our super substrate that's going to be mixed in with the soil. So we'll just collect, or harvest, or whatever you want to call it. We want to get as much as possible from the inside. I want to collect it all. Again, I'm using my phone to do this, which is not ideal for making the video. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. I don't know how good of a job I'm going to do. But you're going to sort out all of the absorbency pad, and then once you've got that done, you're just going to take the rest of it and put it right into the trash can. I thought I would be able to do a better job, but with one hand, that's about as good as I can do. But there's quite a bit of material in here. Let me just show the finished product, because I did do this earlier. This is about how much gel comes out of one of those diapers. This is just from one. That would be from another one that we had over there. So that gives you some idea of how much we're trying to harvest. And by volume, this should be half as much as what we're going to put in with the soil. So you'll mix this absorbency pad material 1-to-1-to-1 ratio with the soil, and it should fill you right up to that same fill line that we were using from before.